Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about RandomAccessFile. What is the usage of RandomAccessFile? Is a powerful class that provides a convenient way to read from the file and write to a file with random access. I repeat it again. RandomAccessFile is a powerful class that provides a convenient way to read from the file and write to a file with random access. Unlike FileInputStream class and the FileOutputStream class, RandomAccessFile allows to move the file pointer to any position within the file and read or write data at that specific location. Okay, this is the advantage. This flexibility makes RandomAccessFile particularly useful for scenarios where we need to perform random access operations on a file, like updating specific portions of a file without reading and writing the entire file. Okay, and also we will see the readUTF method and writeUTF method. This is also present inside the java.io package. Okay, let's see this example. First I import java.io package. Inside this package I have the RandomAccessFile and I import the exception class that is present inside the IO package, IO exception. Okay, and this is my class name, and inside this class I have created the main method. I implement the exception handling. Okay, so I use the try, and now I create the random access file object, RAN. This is my object name, and use the keyword and a parameterized constructor for random access file. And the first parameter is the path of the file. Inside the D drive, AB is the name of the text file, and the second parameter is the mode. Now I use the read and write mode. Okay, so here catch, inside the round brackets I pass the IO exception. So the variable name is IE. Okay, and now I use the writeUTF method. Okay, that is also present inside the IO package. Okay, so here I use the writeUTF method. So what is the usage of this method? This method is used to write the given string value to the basic data output stream with the help of updated encoding scheme UTF-8. We already know UTF expansion is Unicode Transformation Format, 8-bit form, isn't it? So with the help of this method we can write the given string value to the basic data output stream with the help of the updated encoding scheme UTF-8. Okay, so now I write. This is the name of the object for random access file, and now I use the writeUTF. Okay, so inside this round brackets I pass the string hello everyone. So using this inbuilt method I write this string inside this file. Okay, after I write this content into the file pointer position is at the end only, isn't it? So I have to move the end position to the beginning position, then only I can read the content. Am I correct? So now I use the seek method. So what is the usage of seek method? We already know. Okay, seek method is used to move the file pointer position to the another position, isn't it? So if we want to move the file pointer position from one to another, we can use this inbuilt method seek. Okay, now the file pointer is at the beginning, so I can read. Okay, so now I want to read the content from the specified file and write it on my console. So I use the println method out.println, and inside the round brackets now I use the readUTF method. Okay, so what is the usage of readUTF? That is used to read a string that has been encoded using a modified UTF-8 and returned as string. Okay, so now I use that method. Okay, so now ran is my object name and readUTF. That's it. Okay, now I want to know the file pointer position. Okay, what I will do? I can use the get file pointer position. Again, I use the println method to print the current file pointer position. So I just copy and paste here. File pointer position is ran get file pointer method. Okay, so here plus. Okay, and I print the error message inside the catch block. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute this one. Here this is my string, hello everyone. Okay, using this writeUTF method, I have written this hello everyone inside this AB text file. Okay, and with the help of the seek method, I externally move the file pointer position from the end to the beginning. Then only I can read, isn't it? After I have written this statement inside this file, the file pointer position automatically moves to the end only. Okay, so before I read the content, I have to move the file pointer position from the end to the beginning. Okay, then only I can read. So with the help of this seek method, I moved the file pointer from the end to the beginning. Okay, 0th position. And now I used the readUTF to read this content, and that content is printed here. And this is the inbuilt method. This method returned the current file pointer position. So after reading this content, now the file pointer position is 16. Okay, so you go and check. So inside the D drive, AB is the text file. Okay, so now I open the file inside the D drive, and AB is my file name. I opened it here. This is my content. Okay, UTF-8 format. Okay, this is not a human readable one. If we want to read this content, means you have to use the writeUTF method only. Okay, this is not a human readable one. In this example, we have used the RandomAccessFile. What is the usage of RandomAccessFile? We can read from the file and write to a file with random access. Unlike FileInputStream and FileOutputStream, RandomAccessFile allows to move the file pointer to any position within the file and read or write data at that specific location. Okay, this flexibility makes RandomAccessFile particularly useful for scenarios where we need to perform random access operations on a file, like updating specific portions of a file without reading and writing the entire file. This is the advantage of RandomAccessFile. Okay, if we want to move, we can move the file pointer position from one location to another location. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.